Hi, welcome to Absolut Drinks, and I'm Rico. Today we're gonna make sex on the beach. Usually you build this drink, but I just think you get a much better texture and much better flavor if you give it a quick shake, so we're gonna do it shaken. First, our orange juice. We want at least a good 100 ml of orange juice. Next, that classic 80s cocktail ingredient. Same again, we want 100 ml cranberry juice. Next up, peach liqueur. Peach liqueur, peach snaps, your choice, your preference. Here we're gonna go with some peach liqueur, and we want around about 20 ml. Last but not least, by no means, we're gonna add in a good 20 ml Absolut Vodka. Time to get our shake on. Pack in the ice. We want plenty in here. Shake it like you hate it, people. There we go. Once you shake it as well, you're gonna get that nice little froth, that head going on. Just gonna pile that ice in. No need to fine strain, we're going straight into a glass filled with ice, so we can just go straight in. We're gonna take a nice lime wedge, straight down the middle. Boom, boom, and boom. 4 nice wedges, pick out a pretty one, stick him in. There we go, cherry on top. Sex on the beach, guys. They're actually okay when I make them. Yeah, it's an okay drink when I make it. Not bad. Well done, Sex on the Beach.